students, in this assignment we are discussing the topic matrices. We will introduce the matrix, their addition and subtraction. See what is a matrix. So see, we are giving a symbol A and the numbers are written in a rectangular arrangement. That is a rectangular arrangement and numbers are written in it. The elements, the numbers written in the rectangular arrangement are called elements. So element written in first horizontal line, that is first row. I have written A1 A1 A1. So these are the elements written in first horizontal line, that is first row. Written in second horizontal line, that is second row. Written in third horizontal line, that is third row. Written in any ith number horizontal line, that is ith number row. And these vertical elements written in vertical line, that is column. The first vertical line, that is first column. So we are writing a first row, then first column, second row, then first column, I number row, then first column. So for naming any element, first of all we tell the row and then column, or the location of element in a matrix. When we tell A21 यानी कि एलिमेंट इज प्रेजेंट एट सेकेंड रो एंड ऑन फर्स्ट कॉलम. दिस इज सेकेंड कॉलम, सेकेंड वर्टिकल लाइन, दैट इज सेकेंड कॉलम. तो A12 फर्स्ट रो सेकेंड कॉलम, A22 सेकेंड रो सेकेंड कॉलम, दैट इज I नंबर रो सेकेंड नंबर कॉलम. सिमिलरली मे बी थर्ड कॉलम, फोर्थ कॉलम, फिफ्थ कॉलम. इफ़ वी टेक J कॉलम तो फर्स्ट रो J कॉलम, सेकेंड रो J कॉलम, I नंबर रो J नंबर कॉलम. तो that is the order of the matrix. Order of matrix is written in row into column. So there are I rows and J column. So order of the matrix is I into J. So order of matrix, this is number of, first we write row into number of column, number of rows into number of columns. So that tells the order of a matrix. See, so in this rectangular arrangement we have to do the addition, subtraction and multiplication, and many terms are there. Students, you have read addition, subtraction, multiplication in class 10, so that is useful for class 10 also. See some types of matrices we are discussing. Types of matrices. See, row matrix. Row matrix is what? And a matrix having only one row is the row matrix. Matrix having only one row. There may be a number of columns, as we are taking example. This is matrix A is A, B, C. So there is only one horizontal line. So that is only one row. There are 3 columns. There may be a number of columns, but when there is only one row, so that is simply called row matrix. Column matrix. Column matrix. Matrix having only one column. Matrix having only one column, that is column matrix. We are giving this matrix B. These elements are written 1, 2, 3. There is only one vertical line. Elements are written only in one vertical line. So that is column matrix. Zero matrix or null matrix. Null matrix in which all the elements are 0. So if it is a 3 by 3 order matrix, all the elements are 0, so that is simply written as a bigger 0. So that tells this is a null matrix. And diagonal matrix. In which only main diagonal elements are there and other elements are 0. What is main diagonal? Main diagonal from the left upper corner left upper corner and element written in the right lower corner. Yeah, so that is the diagonal element. So let it is like this: 0 0 C 0 0 0 0 D. So this is from upper left corner to lower right corner the elements are written. That is main diagonal. And when other elements are 0, only diagonal elements are there, that is a diagonal matrix. Now square matrix. Square matrix. What is square matrix? A matrix having equal number of rows and column. Matrix in which there are equal number of rows and columns. So in many result we require the square matrix. So let this is a matrix of order 2 by 2, and it is 5 6 7 8. So order is 2 by 2, yani 2 rows 2 columns. First of all, always tell when you tell the order, first number of rows then number of column, and when both these are equal, that is a square matrix. Let matrix B is 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So this is a 3 by 3 square matrix. Then one more important term is identity matrix. Identity or unit matrix. This is also called unit matrix. This is simply denoted by I, in which main diagonal elements are 1 and other elements are 0. It is a square matrix, also called diagonal matrix. This is diagonal matrix, or it is a square matrix always, either of order 2 by 2 or 3 by 3. That is in your course. So the main diagonal elements are 1 and other elements are 0. For 2 by 2 order we write it I2, or simply it is written I. And for 3 by 3 order it is written as 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, like this. So this is unit matrix or the identity matrix. And for the comparison of the two matrices, the order of the two matrices must be same. And if order of the two matrices is not same, then we cannot compare the two matrices. For addition and subtraction also, the order of two matrices must be same. You see, we are taking the example. Let us take a question. This is, we have to tell the values of x, y, z. So it is x, y plus 2 first row. In second row there are 3 and z minus 1. It is a 2 by 2 square matrix, and that is to compare with other matrix 3 1 3 2. So for the comparison of the two matrices, the order of the two matrices must be same. This is 2 by 2, this is 2 by 2. Then we can compare. First element will be equal to first element of this matrix, and x will be equal to 3. Y plus 2 is a 2a1 2, first row second column element. Here first row second column element is 1. Y plus 2 is 1, then y is equal to 1 minus 2, that will be minus 1. This 3 is equal to 3 already written, and z minus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore z is equal to 2. This minus 1 is taken to other side, that will become plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. See, and remember, when a scalar, when a constant is multiplied to a matrix, then each of the element is multiplied by that constant. So multiplication of a constant to a matrix. So when we multiply each element is multiplied by the constant which we are multiplying to the matrix. See, let matrix A is this A, B, C, D, E, F. This is a 2 by 3 order matrix in which there are 2 rows and 3 columns. Order we can write outside the matrix in small numbers, and we have to find the 5a. 5a यानी कि each of the element will be multiplied by this 5 times A, B, C, D, E, F, and inside the matrix we will multiply each element by this constant 5a, 5b, 5c, 5d, 5e, 5f, and that is much easier topic. ICSE student already have read in class 10th, and this is new for class 10th and UP board class 12th. I am taking the examples of addition and subtraction. For addition and subtraction, the two matrices must have the same order. For addition and subtraction, for addition and subtraction, matrices have how many matrices we are adding, 2 or 3. Matrices must have the order same, the same order. Let us take an example. A matrix A is given 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. Matrix B is given 3, -1, 3, -1, 0, 2, and we have to find the 2a minus 3b. 2a minus 3b. See, that will be equal to 2 times matrix A. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1 minus either we have to addition or subtraction. So here we are subtracting. Both of this have the same method. So 3 -1 3 -1 0 2, and we have to subtract the 3b. So 3 times matrix B. So 2 times matrix A. So each of the element in the matrix will be multiplied by this constant. So 2 1 ja 2, this will become 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2, minus 3 times matrix B. So each of the element of other matrix will be multiplied by this 3. We have to find this 3b. So 3 3 is a 9. 3 into -1 will be -3. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into -1 is -3. 3 into 0 is 0. 3 into 2 is 6. Now we will subtract. So particular element will be added or subtracted to the particular element. A11 will be added or subtracted with A11. A12 will be added or subtracted with A12. A13 will be added or subtracted to A13. We are looking the order is same, then we can do the subtraction. So see this 2 minus 9, that will be 2 minus 9. This will be 4 minus -3. So will become 4 plus 3. 6 minus 9. 4 minus -3. So minus this will become plus 3. So 4 plus 3. 6 minus 0. 2 minus 6. So that is equal to 2 minus 9 is -7. 4 plus 3 is 7. 6 minus 9 is -3. 4 plus 3 is 7. 6 minus 0 is 6. 2 minus 6 is -4. So simply like this we do the subtraction. I am taking another example. This is a question that is 3 times a b c d is equal to a 6 minus 1 2d plus 4 a plus b c plus d and 3. Here we have to do the addition also. We have to multiply the matrix by constant also, and after that we will compare the two sides to get the values of a b c and d. So see, this matrix is multiplied by this constant 3, so each of the element of the matrix will be multiplied by this 3. So this will become 3a 3b 3c 3d, and other side matrix is not multiplied by any constant. We have to add these two matrices. So both these have the same order, we can add. The first element a11 will be added to a11, that will be a plus 4 6 plus a plus b minus 1 plus c plus d 2d plus 3. Now compare the element a11 is equal to a11 yani 3a is equal to a plus 4. Taking a to one side, so 3a minus a is 2a. So 2a is equal to 4, then a is equal to 4 upon 2 is 2. So here we are comparing the two matrices. So everything of addition, subtraction and comparison is in this question. 3b is equal to 6 plus a plus b. 3b is equal to 6 plus a plus b, and value of a already we have got 2. So 3b is equal to 6 plus 2 plus b, that is 8 plus b. Taking b to one side, so 3b minus b is 2b. So 2b is equal to 8. 2b equal to 8. Therefore b is equal to 8 upon 2, that will be 4. Similarly, third element a this a21 3c, it is 3c. This is minus 1 plus c plus d, and this fourth element 3d is equal to 2d plus 3. So there are two unknown numbers. So first we are finding value of d from comparing a to 2. So 3d is equal to 2d plus 3. Taking d to one side, so 3d minus 2d will be equal to 3. So 3d minus 2d is 1d is equal to 3. Now this element is equal to this element, yani 3c is equal to minus 1 plus c plus d, and value of d already we have got equal to 3. So minus 1 plus c plus 3, so that will be equal to c minus 1 plus 3, that will be plus 2. 3c is equal to c plus 2. Taking c to one side, so 3c minus c will become 2c is equal to this plus 2. C is equal to 1. So this you can do whole first two exercises. Types of matrices you will be to make some matrix, their addition and subtraction. If I am discussing one more term. If we have to make any matrix, let matrix A is have to write like this: aij, elements have to write aij, and the relation is given that this aij is equal to mod of I plus j upon 2. I plus j upon 2, and we have to make a matrix of order 2 by 2. So see, the matrix A will be, this is first row first column, यानी कि I mod of I plus j upon 2, यानी 1 plus 1 upon 2, यानी 1 first row first column upon 2. I shows the number of row and j shows the number of column. We have to make a 2 by 2 matrix. If first row plus second column upon 2, second row first column upon 2, second row second column upon 2, so like this we can make the matrix. So this will be 1 plus 1 2 upon 2 is 1, 1 plus 2 3 upon 2, this will be 2 plus 1 and 3 by 2, 2 plus 2 4 upon 2 is 2. So you are asked to make the matrix also in starting. So do the first two exercises of matrices, in which we will be to do addition subtraction. In next assignment we will we will discuss the multiplication and other results. Thank you.